Hello, and welcome to episode 23 of Travels in Korea. Today we will visit the Ihwa Mural Village in Seoul, one of Seoul's most Instagrammable spots. To get there, take Metro Line 4 and get off at Haewa Station. From there, it's about a 10-minute walk. Trust me, this walk will get your legs warmed up because it's Seoul, so expect hills. Feast your eyes on this breathtaking aerial view. Below us lies Ihwa Mural Village, a once overlooked neighborhood that transformed into a vibrant art hub in 2006. All right, folks, here comes a leg workout of the day, climbing to the top of Ihwa Mural Village. This place is no joke when it comes to stairs. Built on the hilly slopes of Naksan Mountain, the village offers some of the steepest streets in Seoul. It's like a free gym session, but way more scenic. When you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with sweeping views of Seoul's skyline, colorful rooftops, and, of course, a sense of victory. We've reached the summit of Ihwa Mural Village, and now we're stepping into history along the Seoul City Wall, also known as Hanyang-do-seong. This ancient fortification, constructed in 1396 during the Joseon dynasty, once encircled Seoul to protect it from invaders. Stretching over 18 kilometers, the wall traverses the city's mountainous terrain, including Naksan Mountain, where we are now. And here we go, taking to the skies for the ultimate bird's eye view. From above, the true beauty of this area unfolds. Look at that incredible contrast. The ancient Seoul City Wall winding its way through the modern city. A perfect blend of history and urban life. The wall itself is a marvel of ancient engineering, built with massive stones that have stood the test of time. Down below, you can see the charming jumble of houses that make up Ihwa Mural Village. These aren't your typical cookie-cutter homes. Each one has its own unique character with brightly painted walls, colorful rooftops, and narrow winding alleys that make this place feel like a living postcard. We're following the ancient Seoul City Wall as it leads us downhill right into the heart of Ihwa Mural Village. As we descend, the vibe shifts from grand historical landmarks to the cozy charm of narrow streets and tightly packed houses. The walls here aren't just walls. They're art galleries. Murals pop up around every corner. From whimsical characters to breathtaking landscapes, it's like a treasure hunt for your eyes. The houses, though small, have so much personality. Many are decorated with bright colors, quirky details, and even tiny gardens that spill out onto the streets. Hold up! Look who we've got here. It's none other than son Heung-min, the pride of South Korea and Tottenham's superstar, rocking his iconic number 7 jersey. Son isn't just a football player, he's a national hero. Walking these streets feels like stepping into a living work of art. The murals change over time, with new pieces being added, making every trip here a fresh experience. So whether you're here for the history, the photo opportunities, or just a good workout on these hills, Ihwa Mural Village delivers. And remember, every step you take here supports the local community and keeps this colorful gem alive. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Seoul's most artistic village. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. And I'll catch you in the next video. Annyeong!